Hi friends, how do you feel to have a magical instant weight loss tea in your hand wherever you go? Isn't it so exciting? There are some truly powerful herbs and spices that can boost metabolism, fat burning and contribute to accelerated weight loss. But you find them only in your kitchen and often there is a long process to use them. Is there a better way? In this video, we will see how to make a magical instant weight loss powder. You can use this powder as is or use them as tea bags so that you can carry them easily and enjoy the instant weight loss benefits anywhere at any time. For this we need cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is popular as anti-diabetes herb. It improves metabolism, insulin sensitivity and helps in faster weight loss. Not only that, cinnamon adds nice flavor to our tea. Black peppercorn. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances metabolic performance and suppresses fat accumulation in the body. This works like magic to control obesity. Dried ginger powder. It has been studied that the compounds in ginger like gingerone and shogales can help in weight loss. Organic turmeric. How can we miss turmeric? This is the most important ingredient that helps to reduce the fat tissue, curb weight gain and promote weight loss. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds or methi seeds decreases cravings towards sugars and bad food, controls hunger and decreases calorie intake, thereby contributing to weight loss. Elaichi or cardamom. Cardamom not only helps in digestion but also reduces body fat, relieves from constipation and water retention. Besides, it gives fresh aroma. Let's see how to make it. To a pan or skillet, add approximately 1 tablespoon of small cinnamon sticks broken into small pieces. Toss in half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Take around 6 cardamom pods, just add them whole and add a half tablespoon of black peppercorn. Dry roast all these on low flame for about 5 minutes. You can see that the seeds and peppercorn slightly popping up during this time. After 5 minutes, just switch off the stove and let the contents cool down. Once the contents cool down to the room temperature, take all of these into a mixer grinder jar. I am using a grinder jar that can make powder easily. Close the lid and grind them. After you grind it in the grinder jar, you can see a nice and smooth finely ground powder. Take this into a ceramic or glass bowl. Now to this add half tablespoon of dry ginger powder and finally add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all these together with a spoon. Turmeric can easily stain clothes, so use caution while handling turmeric. That's all, our final weight loss tea mix is ready. Now I am making tea bags with this, so it is easy to carry these tea bags anywhere and have weight loss turmeric tea at any place. To make this as tea bags, we need some empty tea bags like this. Add a half teaspoon of this powder into this empty tea bag. Just close it and ensure to keep a string or thread so that it is easy to use the tea bags. Now place them in paper covers. Just seal it with glue. The paper cover helps to maintain freshness and to prevent any spillage. That's all, our weight loss tea bags are ready. In a cup, place 1 tea bag and pour a cup of hot water. Wait for 2 minutes and after 2 minutes, enjoy the refreshing weight loss and fat burning tea. If you don't want to use the tea bags, you can also add half teaspoon of this powder in a cup of hot water directly and have it. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.